Look no further than the 2022 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.